Welcome to our DMC channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to post on Instagram like a pro, okay? First thing you're going to learn is how to log into the Instagram for the last episode, but for this time, you will learn how to do these stories like, the check-in location, the Instagram hashtag, like some taggings, all those fun stuff, okay? Let's check it out. MC channel. Okay, for this episode, I'm gonna show you how to post on Instagram stories. Okay, first of all, you're gonna log into your Instagram account and go to your Instagram page, homepage like this, and just click on the left bottom right here and choose your picture that you wanted to post on the stories. Okay, so basically, here's the picture of the Instagram stories for today. Here's our DMC training Instagram account, and I'm going to show you how you're going to adjust. Okay, so for this picture, you can just easily adjust up and down that you prefer. Okay, you can just choose like zoom in big, or you can just zoom out. Okay, you can just stick it on, maybe you want to put it on the top or down. For my case, I will just put it on the center. Okay, what about next? What if you want to put on some nice stickers or GIF? Okay, so you can just click on this and choose the GIF over here and type the keywords that you wanted. For this post, I will more focus on the Monday motivation. So I will just type motivation, okay? And after that, you can see there's a lot of nice stickers and things going on right here, okay? For this, I will choose the first one, inspired to be inspired, okay? It's a very nice stickers. And you can just choose to put it on the bottom to top, or maybe you can just make it small. It's, it depends on your preference, okay? So for mine, I would prefer it will look much more bigger, or maybe I can choose to put on top, okay? And after that, maybe you want some nice colorful sticker. How about next? Click on the same things and you can choose because it's motivation, so I'll just tap on happy face. We just type happy face and you will see there's a lot of happy face over here, right? So what we will choose, this one. It looks cute, okay? So the happy face will be here. What about next? Okay, for your information, you can check in location for your Instagram stories. So go to this page and then you just click on the location button. Click on the location button and you will see there's a lot of place that you can check in. Okay, so for my cases, I will just check in Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. And here you go. You can see the stickers over here. And same thing as well, you can adjust the size of the stickers, the location, or maybe you want to change the font, which is the color, okay? Change the color like, transparent, rainbow's color, or you want to back to the original, which is the purple color. So for my case, I will just put in the purple color and I will make this a size like that. Okay. Beside the check-in, what else you have? Basically, you can add on some hashtag as well. Okay. So for this post, we're more to like Monday motivation, and I will just post like Monday. I will just click on Monday motivation, and you can see there's a lot of suggestion. The suggestions over here, we got Monday motivation, Monday mood, Monday vibes. There's tons out there, right? But for this, I will choose the first one, Monday motivation, and you just press on the done, and voila, here's how it goes. I will just adjust it, and I will just click on the transparent one and just put on the bottom of Kuala Lumpur here. Okay, how about other stuff that you can explore? Basically, beside like hashtag or location, there's a lot some more features on this Instagram stories. Okay, let's say for now, I'm gonna tag one of my friends. Okay, I will tag Zavin. Okay, I just type Zavin and I'll just click on her account and I can choose to click on here, place on here or on the top, okay? For her case, I will just put her Devin's name on here, on the top right here. And once I tag her, she will be mentioned from my post and she will acknowledge it and she will repost my stories. This method will allow you to let more people to see this post, which is the stories. Okay. So after that, I will just click on the bottom left. You will see the stories, okay, which is your link to the Facebook stories as well. After you're done with all your story posts, you just have to click on this, your stories, and done. Your stories is officially is posted on the Instagram stories. And after that, what you're gonna do is just refresh, and then back to this. You can have a look. Here's your newest stories. Okay, so thank you for watching for this tutorial. For the next episode, I'm going to show you more about Instagram story as well. Okay, hope you have fun with this tutorial and see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!